Hi, Ziggy from Streamline back again. We've got available for sale at the moment our current demo vehicle, as our new one is on its way. This one itself is only about 5 months old as it is. It's got 10,000 miles on it. It's a very nice spec van. Automatic gearbox. It's got the 185 horsepower engine, so the more powerful engine. If you have a look on the outside of the vehicle, it's got all the nice trimmings on it. So it's got the sportier front splitter, you've got the bigger alloy wheels on it. With it being our demo van, it's got all the nicer kit on it. So it's got Smart Tank 650, Thermo 2 heat wave. I think with it being the demo van, we're just going to let it go as it is with all the demo equipment as well, which has hardly been used. The occasional demonstration. Go around the back here. Chevrons on the back. It's on a 20 plate. Also included is the tow bar, because we pull the trailer occasionally with it. Again, with it being the demo van, it's literally got all the spec on it. So it's got the internal storage, IPR6 pole racking. Any poles that are in this van will be included as well. I'll make sure the full list of the products included are on the advert. With it being the demo vehicle, it's going to be priced very competitively, and there'll be some great finance packages available on this one also. If you have any questions or require any further information, just give me a call on 01626 830 830 or send us an email. Thank you.